Welcome to Travel with Shugs. Today we explore Tuscany, Italy, a region known for its stunning landscapes and mouth-watering cuisine. Join us on a culinary adventure extravaganza as we explore the flavors that make Tuscany a food lover's paradise.
Here we are at the Mercato di San Lorenzo in Florence, one of Tuscany's most famous markets. Let's discover the fresh ingredients that inspire Tuscan cooking.
Try this pecorino cheese. It's made from sheep's milk and has a wonderful flavor.
Wow, it's delicious. Perfect for a classic Tuscan cheese platter.
No culinary adventure in Tuscany is complete without olive oil. We're visiting a local producer to learn about the olive oil making process.
We harvest the olives in October. The best oils come from first cold-pressed olives.
This olive oil is fruity and aromatic, a true taste of Tuscany.
Tuscany is also famous for its wine. We're visiting a vineyard to learn about Chianti, one of the region's most renowned wines. Sommelier Chianti is made primarily from Sangiovese grapes. Let's taste. The flavors are rich and complex, perfect with our peachy pasta. Now it's time to bring it all together. We'll be making a full Tuscan meal, peachy pasta with garlic and breadcrumbs, a fresh salad, and a delicious tiramisu for dessert.
I can't wait to try this tiramisu. It looks incredible.
After a day of cooking and tasting, it's time to enjoy our meal al fresco, surrounded by the beauty of Tuscany.
This is a feast for the senses. The flavors of Tuscany truly come alive here.
From bustling markets to serene vineyards, Tuscany offers a culinary adventure unlike any other. We hope you've enjoyed this journey through its rich flavors and traditions.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know your favorite Tuscan dishes in the comments below. Until next time, buon appetito! See you on the next adventure.